I just want to thank God for everyone who is here today. Nalabo abangezanga namhlanje, I want to thank God for you. Masiqala unyaka u2025. We didn't know ukuthi uNkulunkulu unabantu bakhe already ababekile endleleni yethu. The fact yokuthi we started together 2025, here we are. And nobody is missing in this house. Father, I thank you. The burden of being a shepherd, I'm just a helper, I'm not a pastor. But I can feel sometimes ukuthi ngathi kuyenyuka. Even the pain yokuthi umntwana webandla awumbona wazi kwenzakalani kuye. I didn't understand ukuthi all the teachers or the shepherds, they go through a lot until now. So I thank God for every family that welcomed us 2025. I thank God for everybody abakhonile ukuthi bayikokobethe bazehlise gogo and sit down to listen. It's not easy to tell a person who is in a situation as a servant of God and say, "Uhlaluka." It is well. He is able. I thank God for all the challenges that we have faced together as a ministry. Because I believe those challenges have driven us to seek God more. Ngoba umntwana makanenkinga ngizotshela ukuthi it is well. But kusala ngizibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu manje uthini ngendaba yakhe. So I thank this God who is wonderful and faithful. For He has never failed us. I want to thank Abo Mama for trusting us with their children. Abantu basile ngaphandle la. Abafundisi bakhohlakele ngaphandle la. But in this house, the mothers were so comfortable. When we call mhlawumbe mama ngicela uNelisha azedlini. Mama ngicela uPula ngimthatha noma kunini. At some point I could leave Pula alone with the baby to home. But Mama, not even a glass or a spoon is broken or missing. So I thank God for trusting us with your child. As much as Yena, she is growing, we are cooler overrides. I want to thank God for our youth. Asingenanga ku first page, asibonanga sitrenda njengebandla. We thank God for their behaviors in 2025. But if umntwana ahamba ayokuhlaza ngaphandle ihlazo libhlungu. But we thank God for you, my youth. I thank God for you. As we are heading to 2026, may the good Lord strengthen you. uNkulunkulu abonakale in your situations. Now I want to thank God for the life of my son. 2025, it was a hectic year for me. I want to thank God for He has preserved Baba Mashi for me. Baba Mashi, it's my cousin. What do you call him? Ndanaga Antoine. So when my aunt was very sick and she couldn't speak to anyone, she called me and I was staying very far. She said to me, "I know you are very young. You won't understand this. But please, love my children and take care of them." I was just very young, I understand. But this was the foundation of my attachment to Baba Mash. So when he was going through it all, it was so personal to me. At some point I could ask myself, I'm not praying enough, or I'm not loving him enough. I would wish ngithandaze for a parental covering, but at the same time ngibona ngathi God maybe akangizwa, maybe I'm not doing it right, but ngibuye ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi whatever he has gone through, God preserved him. Ungene kwi-accident and he was only the survivor. Sizazama ukuthi I remember ngelinye ilanga siye esibhedlela, that was almost the end of me. Mangifika lapha ngihamba nomama Mashi no Apostle nabanye. Masifika sibuke hospital, everybody was like he was here. Masifika lapha bathi akasekho. Bathu lapha yana. Uyabona sifuna umuntu until the visiting hour is finished. Angimtholi. Bengasakhona uhamba. Bengasazi manje ukuthi le ngane encane kangaka ngizokutshela ukuthi it was too much for me, but God, big God, He strengthened us as a family. He preserved you. And as we are going to 2025, I didn't do anything to change his life, but I know God has done it all. God has done it all. All these tears, God, may they become the testimony esizofakaza ngo-2026 kube kuhle nakuye. And all those mothers who are going through stuff, may God remember you. Ngoba ukwenzile, ngingakwazi ukucula, bengizocula nami njengothuli ngithi ukwenzile, ngibonile uNkulunkulu ukwenzile. Makangena kule ICU uNkulunkulu ukwenzile. Makuphuma kule accident ngithola i-steering kuphela, imoto ayikho, akuna peace, ukwenzile uNkulunkulu. So I thank God, for He is faithful. I want to thank God for abantwana bami. I want to thank God for Pastor T. I thank God for bringing Pastor T in my life. He is a brother. He is a friend at some point. He is a great mentor. Sometimes life always has ups and downs. The fact you're good, at least I have somebody. No matter sometimes I don't tell him. The fact you're good, sometimes I ask. If I just see him, automatically I'm okay. I don't know how, but automatically I'm okay. I reached a point whereby I was supposed to break down. But me just seeing him, I thank God. Even for the children, he's a great teacher. Lastly, I want to thank all the elders, the mothers, for praying for the church. Here we are. Ideko besingenayo, sound system besingenayo, keyboard besingenayo, besingenalutho. But you prayed, you worked hard, and God answers. We thank God for that. I want to thank Mama Spanda. Now my testimony. I want to thank Mama Spanda, not for what she has done for me, but I want to thank Mama Spanda for what she has done for herself. I've been with Mama Spanda on my zero level. She was my strength. And when the devil tormented her, it was so personal to me. She was going through a lot, but the pain, it was too much. Because my question was, God, really, are you sure you are the same God that this woman said, and you are quiet? Ngafika to a certain level whereby I was no longer praying for him. You know what, God? I don't need to convince you. I don't need to tell you what to do. Remember thy works. I had something good that I know that she has done for the Lord. khumbula inhliziyo yakhe. And I thank God, Mama, for restoration. I want to thank God for my family. It's okay if we can thank God and go. I want to thank Magodwanu Mama Mashi. Abanontanga bakhe, when they go through challenges, especially financial in marriages, they misbehave. Bayatola nokujola. Badelela madoda. I don't know the source of your strength. Let me believe is the Lord. But I thank God for strengthening you. It was not easy. She is very young. To all our youth have redeemed nabanye. Not all glitters are gold. Let me shadow anybody ibanyaza inside. The reality is different. Learn from others and build your life. Build your life. I said build your life. Hallelujah. Then I want to thank my father, Apostle. I want to thank God for his life. I want to thank God for the strength. I want to thank God for this friendship esinayo. 2025 uze waphela. Angayitholi impama. Hayi ngoba ngamoshi. But he is a good teacher. Nambe kunendlela zami ezingacaci ukukhuluma noma kanjani. But he is a good teacher. He worked so hard, I think over time, to try to build this character in me. Ungifundise ukuhlonipha umuntu and to appreciate people regardless. So I want to thank him. He always reminds me ukuthi ngingubani. He taught me to love everybody. He taught me to thank God for everything. It can be the storms of life. It can be the fires of life. It can be the good things of life. He taught me to thank God for it. Hallelujah. So this is my testimony to me. We thank God for opening Woody Place. He is still here. Hey, the Lord has taken us this far. So it's not easy to raise our teenagers. Our sister redeem. Sikijimesa kijim 2025. But God is faithful. Here we are. May God remember you. May God bless you. uNkulunkulu anenzele kahle. Ngimithanda lonke. Ngilifisela konke okuhle. Masukume Pastor Buhle. We thank God for you. We have been journeying together and we are still going together. This is my heart to you. May God remember you. At some point I can pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu bayenzele ukuthi, but ngithanda ukuthi ngithi God, you know. uNkulunkulu wazi kangcono and wenza kangcono kunami. uNkulunkulu anenzele kahle. We love you guys. I love the church. Truly, siyabonga.